So it's about almost 12 o'clock here in Pacific time, and I've already done my daily goal for today. I'm just gonna keep this trading on the video on for the rest of the market today, and if it's any opportunity comes up, we will take it. Now, from the big picture here, if you look at the 5 minute chart, the market. Let's look at this. So, Mark, the morning trend was down, and this was a beautiful bottom, by the way. And it came back up. It tested the morning high and started dropping. Look at the divergence and the overbought condition on RSI. And now I was watching this level here. It did break it. Now we came back and touching the overnight. I think this is the overnight low. Yeah, the overnight low right there. So and let's see what's going to happen. The market definitely is a downtrend right now. Let's see if there's going to be any reversal in the last hour, and if there is so, then we'll jump in. But as of right now, I'm just watching the market. Uh, there were some decent trades. There was a short trade here, short trade right there when it broke this level, but it didn't continue, and it touched our SMA, and then boom, there was a good short trade there. So, and let's see, there were a few others. There was a short trade right there. This is the DSO stands for day session open, by the way, and this dotted line is for the day session open. So that was a short, and the fact that the price was below day session open, it kept moving forward down, and now it's finding support at the overnight low, the global X low, which is this blue line right here. If it breaks this one here, then the probability is to go to this level. And I like it for it to, if it breaks, to come down here and do a double bottom at this level with the angle and the level. And it did, it looks like it wants to go further down. So the transform my trading levels are purely price space, and the angles are these, which are these green lines here on the think and swing chart. They are time and price analysis. Now we do have a structure. We'll talk more about the market structure in the coming days. Uh, our program, Transform My Trading, has two what should I call it? Two sections, let's say. One, which is the most important part, is creating a trader's mindset, and the second one is giving you guys the ability to see transform my trading support and resistance levels and angles based on WD-GAN vibrational analysis, which we applied for day trading. Now, like I said, the most important part is creating your mindset. And one of the things with mindset is having the patience to wait for a good setup rather than jumping into the market all the time. And now, uh, to understand the setup, you have to understand the market structure. And in order to understand the market structure, you have to be in a trader zone from mindset perspective to be able to analyze correctly with courage and determination. And let's say if you were wrong in your analysis, rather than beating yourself up, because you're in that trader's mindset, understand that trading is just like any other business. You're going to lose money. So that's fine. That's when you lose money, you take it, you shift yourself out of it, and boom, you're into the next stage of your trading, which is again analysis, getting ready, and to jump into the trade. Now, the way I'm looking at it, this market right now, it's still in a short. I don't see any reversal. We are in an extreme oversold condition. Look at the 5 minute here, and it's we are getting there. It's the fruit is getting ripe here right now. So we are getting into some kind of a reversal structure. So let's see if it's gonna. I could do an aggressive trade right here. Now, again, that's an aggressive trade. I don't recommend anybody to do that. Let's get some profit there. That's, so we got, I really like for it to come down and do a double bottom here. Now it needs to break this here in order to go. Let me remove that first to go higher. See how this angle is holding this level and the angle actually. So uh, when the market is pretty strong, like it has been the last few days or so, it does tend to break through the angle and level, and then it just comes back up. So now if it breaks above here, I'm going to say buy high, and let's do our profit. This thing, but again, the 5 minute, I like to, what time is it? It's 11:58. I like to wait until 12 and see what the market is going to do. Let's, because that 12 o'clock is kind of a key time. Uh, but again, it's we got it in. Let's get some profit here. If it stops us at, that's fine. Small profit. Ideally, what when I trade is I trade with two contracts. I take profit on one and then let the other one run. So this one I'm just trading with one contract, and it's not on a 5 minute. Look at it's giving us a good reversal bar, by the way. Let me see if there's any going back here. So I now it might give us a short entry here, but I'm not going to take it. But I will take if it's this bar turns around, I will take a long trade here. 1 minute until 12 o'clock, so anything could happen between now and 12:05. And all the times that I'm referring to are Pacific Standard Times. So I've got my long trade option open here, so the market could get me in when it breaks above here. Or actually, once this one closes in green, then the next bar we could get in. So this level it's holding as resistance, I mean support. So let's see if it's gonna still hold there. Don't have any red on the CCI, so that's a good sign also. Stochastic is on top, but that's fine. I pay more attention to the RSI. Okay, they are fighting here. They're trying to find direction. I think it could explode either way. But I'm only going to trade on the long side if it happens. And let's get ready to increase. I want to move my profit target higher as soon as we enter. But this one was actually a really good trade. Market came down to transform my trading level. It did break through it, came back from the top and retested it. RSI was in oversold condition, both on 1 minute and the 5 minute. So now, ideally, you want to take like about 16 to 20 tick profits and get out because we're not looking to do 100 ticks on NQ. You can, but not through this system. I like to trade, taking small profits and then get out of the market and create that consistency. So, so this was really good, especially if you look at the CCI right here. It went below, but it wasn't red. We don't see any red lines here. Let me open up here, this, okay, and just touch this level here, and then boom, it went back up. So it was the reason it reversed here. It was obvious. It came back and touched the overnight low. Now, if I wanted to, I could have gotten short here, but I'm not. I don't want to be more aggressive. Usually, if I do trade this here, if I'm trading NQ here, this one I would trade with MNQ just to be on the safe side. But that would have been a good trade. So we are up $277. Just I think what about we've been trading for 14 minutes. Again, patience, understanding the market structure, and putting on the trades is the key. Now the market is, again, it's coming down back around this level. Let's see if it's going to hold here. If it breaks this level, then the probability to go further down to here, it's high. But let the market tell us the story. At this point, I don't have to trade anymore. Like I said, I mean, I could have had more if I was trading with two contracts, one, but that's fine. If you understand what you're seeing, I mean, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and DM me. We're creating a program for Transform My Trading. We're going to have daily morning sessions to work on two things. One, trading mindset, and second is market structure based on Transform My Trading support and resistance levels, which are derived from W. Gann's vibrational analysis for day trading purposes. If it breaks here, this thing has a possibility to go really further down to this level. I'm not sure if there was any type of a news came up again or something, but yeah, I don't think I would have caught this, even though it touched the level. It gave us a long signal right there, and then it touched the overnight low. It gave us a short, but I don't think there was a fees, at least not from my perspective, to be able to trade that fast. And that's one of the things lately in the market, unfortunately, is the news driving the market like crazy. And knowing when the president is going to talk is sometimes is a key uh, information to have, but unfortunately, it's not much we can do about that. I usually do not watch news, but lately I'm trying to see when he will be talking and what news is coming up, so that way I'm aware of my positions if I am in a position at that very moment, if I've got an open position in trading, because this could happen. And this, if you are in a prop account, sometimes they could really wipe you out. Again, look at the 5 minute bars. The uncertainty is pretty strong. For the market to go higher, it needs to break this level here. We are in oversold condition, which is it's a good sign. What time is it? It's 12:10. I think let's wait until 12:30. But for this purpose, for the video purposes, I'm gonna it's what, about 19 minutes now. So uh I'm gonna shut it down. And if you guys again have any questions, if you guys like what you see, please DM me, and I'll put my cell number somewhere just so you guys could text me if you're interested. Yeah, this yeah, we got it. I mean, 277 in a 14-minute or so trading. That's a pretty good number with one contract. And the key is not to overtrade. All right, that's it. And we'll post this on YouTube and Facebook channel.